Stock number 6101, for sale by consignment at Classic Auto Mall, is an incredible 1941 Cadillac Series 61 Sedanette. It looks like a regular Cadillac for the front, but as you move around this work of art, you see the long, sweeping humpback roofline. It's powered by a 350 cubic inch Chevy V8 with Holly Sniper fuel injection system with a 700 R4 4-speed automatic transmission and a 12-bolt rear end and dual exhaust. This cool Cadillac was featured in the July 2002 issue of Southern Rodder magazine. Classic Auto Mall has more than 1,000 cars for sale via consignment in our massive climate-controlled showroom in Morgantown, Pennsylvania. Classic Auto Mall, a great place to buy or sell a car through consignment because it's safe, easy, and secure. Plus, we advertise, sell, and ship worldwide. Easily search for your next Classic at classicautomall.com.